How to make a man with this one.
Yung sabi mo dyan?
First, you need to find this one and put man in here. Put this to guy and wait. We need to put this in here. This is gonna be so fun. Wait. And we need to make this and then we need a piston. Where is the piston? Right here and here. Let's go. And pull a lever first, turn it, and now chain it. Now you need to pick this. Like this, and put it in. Now you get a man with this. Full of netherite, but she has this. Yes.
Nasa pangaliban na kayo ng prinsipe. Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Wait,
Buhay ang idirang ng
please.
prinsipe. At pagbalik ng prinsipe,
No, not you.
tinarabi si Jeron.
Tiyak ba kayo makababalik ang kanyang kamahalan?
Like this.
Kanilang kunin ang buhay niya. Hindi sila magkatubili.
Now,
Ang siyang gipit sa madaling
like
kumakain.
this.
Naniniwala ka ba na pinapatay ni Cheo ng prinsipe?
Ting.
Hindi mahalaga kung ano ang katotohanan. Ang mahalaga ay kung
No.
ang mahal na prinsipe.
Wait.
Saka, makababalik siya rito sa palasyo ng ligtas.
Now, we just
Prinsipe na ang
do the guy with this. Like and subscribe for more videos like Secret Times. Bye!